Hello friends, you're watching the Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial, I will show you sound and vibration settings in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to increase or decrease sound or to enable vibration in Realme GT 5G or Master Edition, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and then go to sound and vibration settings. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.